how to crochet single crochets. The single crochet stitch looks different depending on the way you're crocheting them. If you crochet in a circle, your single crochets will look like this. And if you crochet back and forth, your single crochets will look like this. Before we can learn how to crochet single crochets, we need a foundation of some sort. It can be a magic loop, or in this case, a couple of chain stitches. For this patch, I'm making 11 chain stitches. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Great job! Now we have our foundation. Now it's time to make some single crochets. Put the hook through the second chain stitch from the hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through the chain stitch. Put the yarn over your hook and pull the yarn through. Great work, my friend! Now you made your first single crochet. Let's make a couple more. Put the hook through the next stitch. Grab the yarn. Put the yarn over your hook and pull it through. Put the hook through the stitch. Grab the yarn and put the yarn over and through. Don't forget to make a single crochet in the last stitch. When you crochet back and forth with single crochets, you need to make a chain stitch before you turn your work. This makes your edges pretty and straight. Skip the first chain stitch and put your hook through the first single crochet stitch on the round. Grab the yarn over and pull through. Be careful so you go through both the front loop and the back loop of the stitch. Grab the yarn over and pull through. Congratulations! You have now mastered the single crochet. Good luck with your projects and happy green crocheting!